Hi, I'm
Hi.
Susan. So I'm a lymphedema therapist. I'm thinking about the recent studies where they've done it with ICG, and even though somebody's had an axillary lymph node dissection, they've found in the studies that most of the fluid actually does end up going to the axillary lymph nodes. What I was wondering is, does the Chikly method encourage that flow to
Yes.
those major areas, even
Yes.
though initially you feel it and you're like, nope, there's nothing there?
No,
Um,
because we never do that. We map. So we
yeah,
say, oop, there's a little bit there. Oop, there's nothing there. We don't assume where it wants to go. We check all the pathways. We feel where the body wants to go. And we encourage. In the lymphedema class, I have some slides showing that this girl, look at her, she's swelling, but she still goes through the axilla. Why does she have lymphedema? Because the axilla is fibrotic. So the flow is very slow. You have little rivulets. So you release a bit the scar, then the flow wants to go there. It was impeded by the fibrotic tissue. But sometimes you send to the scar and then reroute. In that case, we follow the reroute. That's the thing about the mapping. You don't guess. Sometimes you go through the scar, sometimes you go around it. You have 17, 18 options to reroute. Then you see where he wants to reroute, where he doesn't want to reroute. And we play with that because we have feedback from the body and we can map. And that's what I add to the lymphedema field, is to be able to be very specific, save a lot of time, and also complication, because people go in a direction and make it worse. Because of the studies, now if everybody go through the axilla, through the inguinal, they're going to make a lot of lymphedema worse. We don't guess. There's a lot of option there, and you just have to go with what the body says. Treatment, sometimes you go through, and we encourage it to go through. And then next session, you see if you continue to go through, it's good. It's a good pathway now. Or maybe next session, you see it doesn't want to go there anymore. So the scar is too strong, the scar too much. We need to go around it. Mapping makes the treatment so much better, so much faster.